Good morning, class. So at this point in our lives, we're looking at Michael. You're busy with data handling, correct? We're busy with chapter 13. So I gave you guys some homework as per usual. And the homework was on exercise 13.3. Alright, so .3. So you finished 30.2. We were talking about, here we go. We did number 1, huh? Number 2. Any problems with number 3? Number 4? Any other problems with? We did 4. 5 you had to do. No problems. There was only one sum I gave you. You know why when you went home you didn't tell yourselves, I feel so bad I didn't do a lot of maths and doesn't affect you guys like okay. So here in the next question we are told that we're talking now about the stem and leaf diagram. You didn't done the stem and leaf diagram last year, not so? Right. Stem and leaf diagram is a useful way of organizing data as it is to collect in a stem and leaf diagram. Each number is separated into a stem, the leftmost digit of digits, and the leaf, the rightmost digit. So if you're looking at number 15, then the left is going to be the 1 and the 5 is going to be on the right. Okay. The stem being 1 and the leaf being the 5. Okay. A key is usually given to indicate to the reader of the stem and leaf diagram what the number in the data set looks like. Okay. For example, 6/3 could be 63 or 6,3 depending on the context of the example. So a key would be necessary to make it clear which one is met. Okay. But if we're telling you cos, then we can't get 6.3 cos, no? as a number. So okay, but let's go with the fact that they want you to give a key. Okay. And I normally don't, so I should be giving you a key. Okay, according to this. So we're looking at example 1 and this is on page 300. So there were 300. Alright, so we're looking at example 1, page 300. Here we are told that 29 learners wrote a test. Their percentages are 44, 51 and so on, 29 of them. Use a stem and leaf diagram to organize this data. So when we start, we see the lowest value is 11, the highest value is 72, 4. Next is 990. So your stem is of course going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Not so. So 44, it's 4 and a 4. Not so. 51, 5 and a 1, and so on. You all agree with that? So complete the stem and leaf diagram very quickly. I'm going to pause the video at this point. Can you all see the numbers on top? Right. So at this point we The next number is going to be 1, no? Then 90, then 76, then 36, then 64, then 37. The next number, what's the rest of the numbers in the first category? 8, 3, 2, 2, 3, 6, 3. Is it right? 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 6, 3. And 7 is the last number. Not the 3. 33. The 7. Okay. Number 4. Row 4. 4, 3, 7, 6. For 50s. 3, 1, 1. 60, 4, is 2, 1, 3. 76, then 2, 4, 2. 8, 5, 9. Okay, there's only one. So this is an unorganized stem and leaf diagram. So what we do is we organize it. Okay? We start by 1, so it's 1, 3, 8. Can you see that? We conclude that quickly. Organize it. Little 6. What is what should row 3 read? 6, 6, another 6, triple 6. So I'm shorting something. Does this belong to this row here? Was this here? No, it doesn't.
The 6 belongs to the 3.
So let's go to the row here, this one here. This was 6, 7, 6. Let's write like it is here. The unorganized. It's 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 7.
6.
There must be another 6 here. And row 4? Is right. So now it's right. Okay. So it's triple 6, triple 7. Okay, you all agree with that? Okay. Triple 6, triple 7. And then 8. That correct? Okay, yours won't look so ugly like mine, okay? And now it's binded for some reason, so okay, so I can't move it now. Okay. Betul? Manisaan tu. There we go. Of course, yours is going to look neater than mine. He says use the stem and leaf diagram to organize the data. People, if it's unorganized stem and leaf diagram, you need to organize it. Okay? Is that going to make sense? It says use the stem and leaf diagram to find the mode. What is mode, people? Mode is the number that occurs the most. And what's the mode here? There's 636. And 37 and 51. All of those are going to be your mode. So all three of those numbers occur thrice. Okay. Next question, the median. The median is the middle number of sorted totals. Not so. So there are 29 numbers. 29 by 2. 14.5. So how many numbers are in the middle? 1. So it's going to be the 15th number. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's your 15th number. Or if you count it the other way, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15. So 47 is the number in the middle. Can you see that? 47. The mean? The mean is going to be the sum of all the numbers divided by the number of numbers. Not so. How many numbers are there? 29. So add them up quickly. Then you get the total that it adds up to. Where's the video again? You're saying 1,426. So that works out to be 49,17. Okay. Will you guys understand? So what did we forget to do when we drew the stem and leaf diagram? We got to give the key. Not so. What will the key have been here? 3/6. I could have taken any value here. No? 3/6 is equal to 36. That key had to be given. Or I could have said 9/1 is equal to 9/0 is going to give you 90. It's your key. Just remind me, I'm going to forget it, but I should get it in, make a habit of writing the key down. Okay, do you guys understand? Okay, so let's look at exercise 13.4. Oh, there's another question. The question says, which measure of central tendency best describe this type of data for this test? Alright, so measures of central tendencies, mean, median, mode. Okay. So which measure of central tendency you think is going to be the best here? Okay, you see this is the key. Huh? So we are told that the mode is not representative of the data and the mean is affected by very low and very high marks. Okay. So we have outliers here, not so. Okay. The median, which is 646%, would be a good value to use, as half of the learners got less than 46% and half of the learners got more than 46%. You guys understand? So remembering again, if there's outliers or values that's lying on the extremes, then it distorts your mean. Not so. So that's that. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Exercise 13.4. So let's answer these questions quickly. I'll give you a couple of minutes to answer on your own, and then I will do the questions on the board. Okay. Well, how much time you have left of this period? Which page is this on? 91. 301. How much time do you have left of this period? 22. 10 past. Right, so we got a few minutes. I'm going to give you 2-3 minutes to answer this question. Okay, it's fine. Doesn't need to give you some time to do it on your own, so that you would have exposure to the sun. Okay, I'm going to pause the video, get to this point. Right. So we have a situation here of Mondi and Jane measures the height of the girls in the class, correct to the nearest centimeter, and recorded the results. Is Mondi and Jane in the same class? Jane, yes. No? They're doing it on the same learners in the class. Okay. So here we got Mondi's frequency table. We got height in centimeters and your frequency, whilst we got Jane's stem and leaf diagram, the stem and your leaves. And the key is 14/5 is equal to 145 centimeters. Study Mondi's frequency table and Jane's stem and leaf diagram. First question. Is this quantitative or qualitative data?
Quantitative.
Quantitative. Why? They are numbers. Okay, so they're quantitative. Quantity, no? Quantity. Right. B. How many girls are 164 centimeters tall? 2 girls. Okay? Where did you get that from? James stem and leaf diagram. Could you have gotten that from Mondi's stem frequency table? Couldn't have gotten it. What is the height of the shortest girl? 145. 145 centimeters. How many meters is that? 1,45. How many centimeters in a meter? 100. What is the height of the tallest girl? 172 centimeters. What advantages does Jane's stem and leaf diagram have over Mondi's frequency table? And there we can see, you're from Jane's stem and leaf diagram, we could see what is the length of the height of the tallest, shortest girl and the tallest girl. Not so. However, the frequency table, that would again be a better measure to see in which range the dot is better represented. Okay. In the range in terms of in increments of 10, you can see which one is the better of the categories. Okay. Okay, here's about the same. Because here they also went with increments of 10. So you can't really say. Okay, so in that aspect it's the same. Okay. So if you, for the question that we had now, I would say Jane has the better, has the upper hand. However, if the values are much more, say we had it going from, say we're recording for 100 people, for 1,000 people, then of course your stem and leaf diagram is going to be huge, not so? Whereas your frequency table again would be a better measurement, not so? So here we can have, there's 1,000 people, here we could have had 500, here we would have had 50, here we could have had whatever, and so on. You guys understand? Whereas your stem and leaf diagram would have been big, and you would have had a lot of numbers in it. Not so? No, it is not all that the stem and leaf diagram is the better measure, or your better display of data. It depends on the amount of data given. Okay? Did you guys get it?
Morning, grade 10.
We try number 2. I do this afternoon. Okay, I'll do this Monday. So I can do it. Yeah, they won't see you. Oh, they might also. Oh, okay, no. I'll give it to them. Alright, are you guys done with number 2? Sorry? Why are you guys not doing your work? You want to know your results? Since you don't want your results, I'll give it to you Monday. Okay. Right, this is number 2. Let's do number 2 quickly. There's a lot of questions tonight. I don't think we'll even get to it. How many sums are in that exercise? Only these 2. Okay, so for homework, I would like you guys to do. It's on page 200 and 301, no? So I want you guys to complete this exercise, okay, for homework. Just got the others. People, don't waste your time. Let's get started with it now, okay? Sorry? Sorry, man. Abba, Michael, did I not give you work to do? Huh? Are you ready? Sorry. Okay, people, enjoy the rest of your day and your weekend. Please don't forget the homework. Good morning, class.